Welcome to another iCube tutorial. For this video, we will learn part 1 for 2-look PLL, and we will learn how to fix the corners in one try. For practicing both of the cases that we'll be going over today, all you have to do is do the moves that solve the case until it eventually creates the case. So for example, once corners are solved, you can do the moves that solves one of them, and that will create one of the cases, and then you can solve it. But we'll go over how to solve that case later. So the first case that we're going to talk about in this video, once you've finished OLL and you go to fix your corners, and you notice you already have taillights, that is the first case that we're going to talk about. So when you have taillights, we put them in the back, but since we're doing the intermediate method, I'm going to teach you a different way to solve this case, where the taillights are on top and yellow is facing you. When you hold the cube this way, you're able to do different finger tricks that allow you to do the same moves but in a faster way. And the moves that I'll be using to solve this case are the moves for the Aa Perm. So once you have taillights facing up and the yellow facing you, you will do these moves to solve this case. And one more time, but fast. So the second and final case we'll be talking about is when you check each side and you notice that there are no taillights. Just a fun fact, that means that you need to do a diagonal corner swap. So here we see this corner is good and this one's good, but these are not. So these will be the moves for when you don't have taillights. And the moves to solve this case will be the moves for a Y-perm. If you don't have taillights, you can hold the cube in any orientation and you will do these moves. And now one more time, but fast. Now I'm going to take the time to explain the moves that I just taught intuitively for that last case for people who don't like to memorize moves. That one seems like a long one with a lot of moves, but when you break it down and see what's happening intuitively, it's actually not that bad. So first what you do is turn the front sideways. Then you want to insert this pair right here in this slot. Then do a U prime. Now you're going to take this pair back out and then restore the front. Then either if you know this case, you can just solve this OLL case, or if you don't, what you're going to do is the sexy move and then a sledgehammer. So that is all for part 1 of 2-look PLL. We learn how to fix the corners in one try. And fun fact, those moves are the cases for the Aa Perm and the Y Perm, like I said earlier. So these are actually 2 cases that you will be able to use whenever you go to the advanced method. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.